Hi everyone, we are honored to have the presentation here, and we attended the first Future Video Conference workshop at CVPR 2021, and we take the challenge in track 2, which name is Human-Centric Video Coding for Action Analysis. And our team members are Zhimeng Huang, Yuefeng Zhang, and Chenmin Jia. And our presentation name today here is Hierarchical Video Pre-Editing Method based on human detection. So our challenge in this track 2 is to develop one pre-editing method which can maintain both visual perception quality and task analysis accuracy after compression operation. So this process is to simulating the video transmitting in an online conference. And the data splits we got here, we have 1,128 clips for the train split, and 125 clips for the validation, and also 176 clips for the test split. So the codec for those data splits are different. The train and validation split, they have the HEVC QP1 codec for before we got the data. And for the test split, we have JPEG QF equals to 2 before we got the data. And the video content, we have an example here. The frames are in the time order, and the people in the video is in the center, and the people is doing some simple moving actions. And we in total have 10 different actions in the whole data set. Then I'm going to talk about our method. Our method contains two parts. The first part is based on human detection. In this part, we first detect the human salience area by the YOLO V3, and then we can get the foreground and the background split. And after we got those splits, we need to decide which one should we do some blur action and which one we should do some enhancement action. And for the human area, we do the enhancement action, and then we refine those human area by another step of the enhancement. Then we do the face detection on those human area, and then we got the face part, and we do another enhancement on the face part, and the body part we do another enhancement. To be noticed, those enhancements are based on different methods. And in the end, we fuse two splits together, and we got the pre-edited video frames. The input size of our method is the video frames with the size 512 multiplied by 512. Here's the details of our method. For the branch 1, the body detection region enhancement, we first got an input image and then we do the Euler structure, and then we do some checks here. We get the maximized unit instead of the smallest unit, and then we got the mask generation of the maximized unit, and we cut the original image here. And for the branch 2, the face detection region enhancement, we further get the face part by the face detection. Here we use the pre-trained DLIV network, and then we do the face enhancement based on one network named the DFDNet, and then we crop the face part. And for the stage 2 in the face detection region enhancement, we do the image enhancement on the other part of the human region except for the face part. We tried a lot of different methods here. For example, we tried RBQE, ESRGAN, and the EDVR here. And finally, we combine those two parts in the human region. So here are some implementation details. We have two pre-trained models as following, and our model is based on PyTorch 1.6. We trained each model for 50 epochs in total. Our optimizer is Adam with learning rate 1e-5, and also we have the batch size of 16. Our objective function is MAE loss, which is the common loss in enhancement method training. So here are some results. Our evaluation matrix is based on human region frame reconstruction error and human analytics accuracy, which actually we don't know the exactly metric before we do the test process. And here's our method and their corresponding results. We can see that the best one is the method we only use the human region enhancement. And finally, our approach achieved the second place on private leaderboard. And thanks for listening, and we are all here for today's presentation. Thank you.